A.J. Cronin was a Scottish novelist and physician whose works combined realism with social criticism. His powerful narrative skill and acute observation, clubbed with graphic description, won him a large Anglo-American readership. Apart from writing novels, he also penned down several short stories. Some of them are Two Gentlemen of Verona, The Innkeeper's Wife, and Vigil in the Night. The story is set in Verona, where the narrator, while travelling with his companion on the foothills of the Alps, happens to meet the protagonists, Nicola and Jacopo. The protagonists are brothers who live in utterly poor conditions and have lost their home and parents. During their first meeting, the young boys sell the narrator a basket of wild strawberries. In their consequent meetings, it is revealed that the brothers are involved in several mundane activities to make their ends meet. They voluntarily polish shoes at the public square and even play the role of tourist guides. The narrator and his friend find themselves very comfortable with the two boys and ask them for help with the various places in town. Their interaction makes the narrator highly curious about their demeanor. He soon realizes that beneath their childish faces lies a mature and understanding attitude. Soon the narrator and his companion start relying on the two brothers for most of their daily needs, like fetching them cigarette packets and also getting seats for the opera. The narrator admires the willingness of both the brothers to do all kinds of work. However, he soon realizes that they do not spend the money they earn for themselves, but save it for some secret plan. They continue to eat black bread and figs for meals, and wear old worn-out clothes. When the narrator and his companion are about to leave Verona, the narrator asks Nicola and Jacopo if he can be of any help to them. Delighted, Jacopo requests to go with them in their car to Poletta, a place in the countryside. The next afternoon, all of them drive towards Poletta, and, to the narrator's disbelief, the two brothers get off near a huge red-roofed villa. The boys say that they will not take more than an hour at the villa. Moreover, they suggest that the narrator and his companion can go to the cafe for a drink. To satiate his increasing curiosity, the narrator follows the brothers after some time. A woman dressed in the nurse's uniform greets them at the door. On asking about the two boys, she guides him through the lobby to the room where the boys are sitting. From a distance, he finds Nicola and Jacopo sitting beside a young girl. On asking about the girl, the woman informs the narrator that Nicola and Jacopo are sitting by the side of their only sister, Lucia. The nurse informs that the war had destroyed their home, and they went on to live destitute lives on the streets. They struggled against all odds, and to add to their anguish, Lucia developed tuberculosis of the spine. The narrator gets overwhelmed on hearing Nicola and Jacopo's story. He now understands their secret plan and knows why they work so hard. Moreover, he realizes that all the money they earn is used to treat their ailing sister. Nicola and Jacopo's love and devotion for Lucia seems invincible for the narrator. Overwhelmed, he leaves the place and waits for Nicola and Jacopo outside the villa. Soon the boys came, and the narrator drives them back to the city, not revealing that he is aware of their little secret. The underlying theme of Two Gentlemen of Verona is that the human spirit and determination can overcome all obstacles, even during the difficult times of war.